morning students. Today this is the part second video of the same chapter number second, microorganisms friend and foe. Microorganisms friend and the foe. So in the part first video we have seen about what is the meaning of the word microorganisms. Yes, they are friend for us or as they are foe for us. So means I have told in the last week microorganisms are friend as well as for us, and yes they are as well as foe for us. So they are microorganisms we are not able to see with our naked eyes, as I have seen in our surroundings are different kind of plants, different kind of animals and other living organisms we have seen. But apart from that microorganisms are also present, but we are not able to see with them our naked eyes. With the help of microscope only we are able to see that microorganisms. Then I have told to perform two activities, to collect some soil on then let the soil settle down in the water, just take that water and see that water with the help of microscope. Yes, you will see a very small tiny organisms present in that water. Then of the soil also we have done, and from the pond water, so means in the rainy season that organisms are spoiling many things. On the bread also fungus grows. So these are all the organisms. So we are able to see with to them with the help of microscope only. That's why they are known as the microorganisms or microbes. Then we have seen different four types also of microorganisms: bacteria, fungi, protozoas. Okay, so the four different type of microorganisms we have seen. Then about two topics we have done. Okay, microorganisms, what are they and where they are living. So they are living in the air, means they are present everywhere from the hot to the cold region, marshy lands to the desert lands. So today in this video I am going to start about some of the friendly microorganisms. Today we are going to study about the microorganisms which are acting like us as a friend, जो हमारे friend की तरह रहते हैं हमारे साथ. Let we learn today about it. So there are some microorganisms. They are playing important role in our lives. Some microorganisms are there. They are playing the important role in our lives. Some of them are beneficial in many ways. Yes, some bacteria are beneficial for us in many ways, where some other ways, some other harmful and cause number of diseases. So some are the harmful and some are the useful for us. So let's discuss in detail today about the friendly microorganisms. Now friendly microorganisms means like what? See, in the part first video I have told to prepare the alcohol, to prepare the beer, we are using the microorganisms. It's from since ancient times the people are using the same. Now from the ancient time people are using this different type of organisms to making the things. Then we are using the yeast also to increase the volume of the dough. In this I will explain you that how it is. There are also used in cleaning of the environment. Yes, microorganisms are used for the cleaning of the environment. Now you are thinking, sir, how they are cleaning the environment? Vermicomposting you have heard better, right? So vermicomposting means from that it is a process, a natural manure we are getting. From that process we are getting the natural manure. So now how we are getting the manure? We are digging the hole in the soils and we are putting the garbage into that. So if the garbage gets completely rot and the smell is not coming from the dead, so that is known as a manure. Now the same we can use to add in the plants, and plants will get the a lot of nutrients from that manure. So who converted this garbage up to the manure? Yes, organisms only, like vegetable peels, fruit waste are there, the other cooked items, whichever the garbage is there. So they are converting from the waste to the manure. So if the microorganisms are not present, अगर microorganisms just think present नहीं होते, so the whole surroundings जितनी भी होती बेटा dirty रहते. Say for example, if any animals dies, तो microorganisms are feeding upon them, उसको dead and decaying matter पे feed करते आ जाते हैं. So they are taking the nutrients from them, मतलब जो भी इसमें था बेटा उन्होंने पूरा feed up कर लिया उसके ऊपर. So they are cleaning up the environment. So in this way microorganisms are known as our friend, as they are helping to us to cleaning the environment. Yeah, but yes, what we are doing? We are disturbing the environment. We are making dirty to the environment. Yes or no? Of course, definitely yes. हम लोग environment को बेटा dirty करते ही जा रहे हैं. As the deforestation, pollution, number of factories are increasing rapidly, so because of all these cut off pollution is increasing, so this way पूरा हम लोग खराब कर रहे हैं. ओके, so but microorganisms are friendly, they are helping to clean the environment, means converting the waste into that manure, the manure the plants are using for the same. And yes, they are also increasing the fertility of soil by adding the nitrogen into them, as rhizobium bacteria helps the plants to take the nitrogen with the help of water only. So they are living in the roots of the plants, they are converting the gaseous nitrogen into usable form for the plants, and plants are taking the nitrogen, so it will increase the fertility of the soil. As the, if microorganisms were not there in the first chapter we have seen in the crop production, so what we have seen is farmers are adding the fertilizers to enrich the soil. अगर बेटा microorganisms are present in the surroundings, then the use of fertilizer will decrease, वो कम हो जाएगा, because organisms are only helping to converting the nitrogen into usable form. So this was about how they are helping to us and how they are behaving like a friends. So some points are there in detail we have to see about it. So our first point is making of curd and bread. Making of curd and bread. From the lower grades only teachers have told in terms of curd with the help of bacteria हमारी बनती है. That you know, आपके पेरेंट्स ने बेटा बताया होगा आप लोगों को बहुत बार. So making of curd and bread means now what? Bacterium name is Lactobacillus. The name of the bacterium is Lactobacillus. So it promotes the formation of curd. It is the name of the bacteria which promotes the formation of curd, means it's help for the formation of the curd. What is the name of the bacteria? Lactobacillus. The Lactobacillus is the name of the bacterium who promotes the formation of the curd. They are helping in the formation of the curd. It multiplies in milk and converts into curd. ये multiply हो जाते हैं बॉटम, मतलब ये increase हो जाते हैं उसमें, and they are converting into the curd. So what about now yeast and the dough? Which are this? Yeast reproduce rapidly and produce CO2. Yeast reproduce होते हैं बड़ा fast, and what they are producing? They are producing the CO2. At what time? During the process of respiration, bubbles of gas fill the dough and increase the volume. The bubbles of gas fill the dough and it will increase the volume of the that. So the bakery item which we are eating, cakes, pastries, and that yeast are reproducing rapidly. They are producing the CO2, carbon dioxide, during the respiration, and it will increase the volume of the dough. So yeast is also now helpful, as it help in the making of the bread, making of the cakes and the pastries also. Bacteria and yeast are also helpful for the fermentation of rice like idli, dosa. They are also helping the fermentation of that. And the curd which we are preparing with the help of the bacteria, Lactobacillus, they are also helping. There is the bacterium that also they are helping, and it is a main, curd is a main ingredient for the suji, which for the suji, idlis and the baturas, and the curd is a very main ingredient. You can ask from my mother's, yes, when they are preparing these things, so they are adding the curd also in that to उसको soft करने के लिए वो curd add करते हैं उसमें. So that's why the yeast and the bacteria are helpful in this way to us, as bacterium Lactobacillus are helping to making the curd, and yeast are producing the CO2, and it will increase the volume of the dough. तो यहाँ से हमारी bread बन रही है, यहाँ पर हमारा curd बन रहा है, bread है, pastries, cakes, whichever things are there. So in this way, bacteria and the yeast both are helpful to us. So means they are acting like a friend with us. Of curd and bread is there by the help of microorganism, that bacterium and yeast. Now the commercial use of the microorganism. Commercial use of the microorganism. Next topic it is microorganisms used at a large scale. Microorganisms used at large scale for the production of alcohol, wine, and the vinegar. Now microorganisms are used at a large scale for production of the alcohol, for the production of wine, and production of the vinegar. Just keep three words in mind. Where we are using microorganisms are used at what to prepare? So alcohol, wine, and the vinegar. Yeast is grown on natural sugars. Yeast is grown on the natural sugars present in grains like barley, wheat, and the rice. अभी जो बेटा yeast है वो कहाँ पर ग्रोन होती है? Is grown on the natural sugars. अब natural sugars are present in which grains like the barley, the wheat, and the third one is rice. So natural yeast is grown in natural sugars. Natural sugars are present in grains like barley, wheat, and rice, and in the crushed fruit juices also the natural sugar. That is, natural sugars are present. So natural sugars are present in these four: barley, wheat, rice, and the crushed fruit juices. In that yeast is growing. So the process of converting sugar into alcohol, जो process है बेटा sugar को alcohol में convert करने का, is known as a fermentation. So keep this definition in your mind कि whenever you are converting sugar into alcohol, this natural sugar which is yeast जिस पे grow हो रहा है, ये convert किस में हो रहा है? It is converted into alcohol, is known as the fermentation. So I hope you understood about the two topics and how to make curd, about the bread, and about the commercial use of the microorganisms. So whatever doubt if you are having related to this, you can ask from me on the online sessions. Thank you and have a nice day.